Plants don't have a nervous system. They don't have brains. They can't, at least we don't think that they can think. But they still have a really remarkable ability to know what's going on around them. So I study how plants interact with environmental cues at the single cell level. Because plants are composites of many, many different types of cells, the responses to environmental cues might have a variety of different flavors depending on what cell type there is. I really study how each individual cell type responds to environmental stress and hoping to discover new paradigms in biology and dissecting these a little bit more finely. You have dramatic changes in architecture of the plant. For example, the root system can grow in very, very different ways depending on where the plant is growing and how it's being exposed. Plants can grow faster, slower, make more leaves, less leaves, depending on what's going on around them. And this is all influenced by the coordinated action of all these individual cell types. And I just find this really, really interesting how all these signals get processed and integrated together to mount a coordinated response. We have to understand the basics in order to understand the larger, bigger picture. You can't really make decisions, for example, what to plant next year, without really understanding the fundamental biology of how those seeds are going to perform. It's been inspiring to kind of think of complexity in biological systems and just trying to understand that nothing is simple. And I think that's a really important underlying feature of biology, that you have just so much complexity in these tissues that you really do have to think about them as collections of cells that are sort of interacting together. That's been sort of inspiring to me, just to think that there's just a lot more to know. It's kind of like a new frontier in plant science.